Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use Walmart to pay at gas pump. So the first step is to open the Walmart app on your Android or iOS device, and then if you already saved credit, debit or gift cards to your Walmart account, you'll see them listed. If you haven't saved any cards yet, they will ask you to add one or more credit or debit cards or Walmart gift cards. Then you have to simply choose the payment method you want to use with Walmart Pay. And as you can see, and they will use the gift card value in your account first unless you switch this option to off. Then you'll have to simply bring PayPal coupons to the cashier or self-checkout as usual. And basically, then you'll have to scan. As you can see, when you're done, go to any checkout, hold your phone over the QR code on the register to pay. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.